This is Dan Palmer with GoldStar ATM. Today we're going to be going over how to change the battery on your electronic vault lock on your GenMega G2500. So you're going to start with opening the bottom plastic fascia on your ATM. And then at that point, you're going to go to the bottom of the electronic vault lock and you'll feel a small tab. And you're going to want to pull that forward while pulling down at the same time. And a small drawer will come out with the battery, and then you'll just want to tap it out, replace your battery, and gently slide the tray back in to the electronic vault lock. You should hear a number of beeps, and if the numbers are working and beeping, then you know your vault lock is good to go.